Hi guys, I'm Sandy Thompson of Marsh Brothers Aviation, standing beside an Aerostar with a Wiebel nose gear. And I'm going to explain the Wiebel nose gear Oleo rebuild kit to you, show you what's involved in the kit, and what you could add to it if you wanted to. So let's go down to the nose gear. So this is the Aerostar Wiebel nose gear Oleo. And we're going to replace the lower gland, which includes replacing the seal, the backup ring, and the O-ring for the static seal on the outside, and the wiper. So this is what our gland looks like. You can see it has a Thor seal inside, and it has a Thor wiper on the end. The wiper just basically wipes the strut clean so that the dirt doesn't get up into the bearing. The seal is a lip seal, not an O-ring seal. So if there's any wear at all, if there's any movement of the strut inside this bushing bearing, it won't leak. The seal has a lot more latitude to accept excursions. So it's a very, very good replacement for the original OEM O-ring. Now, these are the torque links, and you can buy a separate kit for the 8 bearings in a torque link, or because you could do it at the same time with a Form 1. Or you could just do the internals on the Oleo. Inside the piston, we have a floating piston. Floating piston is normally made of bronze. It has O-rings on it. Our floating piston has 2 opposing Thor seals. They're better seals than an O-ring. So that's it. The Aerostar Wiebel Oleo nose gear rebuild kit. Happy flying, guys.